Hey guys, so I wasn't supposed to film anything today because I felt lazy, and I said to myself, it's okay not to film because if you're busy and you do other stuff, it's fine. Fortunately, I looked at my video yesterday. That was about the base plate of my camera, and I realized that I was back from the start. I didn't know what to say. I have no idea what I was doing. I was stuttering, I was blabbering, I was all over the place. And I looked at video. I was using the FX3 because I love the S-Log of the FX3, and I realized why the color's turning red. I mean, no, not red. Why is the color's turning like shit? Then I realized that I was filming in S-Cinetone. Look at my mouth has a mind of its own. It speaks other than what I'm saying. But yeah, just realized that I was filming in S-Cinetone, and I graded it as an S-Log. And I didn't know why I didn't get it. I kept on doing it. I have no idea. Anyway, so so I'm gonna re-upload that video now. I made that other video unlisted, and it's gonna be hidden for a while. But for now, I'm gonna re-upload the other one with less editing, and the colors are not good, but they're fine. They work. So yeah, that's it. Also, today I went out for a hike and ended up driving everywhere. My car's like crazy. You don't want to know about that. Anyway, I went to this shop here in Montrose. It's a pizza shop. It's an Italian shop. I was looking for pizza because we've been craving for Jem Brooks Station Street pizza. It's really good. If you are around here in Victoria, around this side here, and there's no lockdown, you can try that out. But that pizza's good. Try it. Anyway, so moving on. I went to that place, and yeah, I was looking, legit Italian pizza, not the takeaway thing, the cheapo stuff that they put there. So I went there and got in, and I saw the crew. I mean, the kitchen crew there. There were around 4 or 5 of them just doing it. They don't have masks. I was like, okay. And the other guy who was undercutting, has his hair. He looked at me and said, hey. So I was like, oh shit. And then there was another guy who came in also before me, and they was talking to I think he knows the place, the big guy. I think he's the one in the kitchen. I don't know. But yeah, he was talking to him and like, hey, Rukshan. They mentioned Rukshan, the photographer who's filming a lot of those stuffs online and everything. I don't want to get into those. I don't like his videos, but I don't want to expound more on that. That's too much for now. But yeah, I went there and I can see everyone looking at me like knives or lasers hitting me, because the thing is I was wearing a mask inside there, and the other guy wasn't wearing a mask. The cashier, which was a female, wasn't wearing a mask, and like, am I the only one? Should I be removing my mask? I was like pissing myself out, and I realized that I shouldn't be doing that, because if I value my health, I'm gonna take care of myself. But yeah, I'll open my mask a bit and put it here, and I'd like to order a pizza, margarita pizza. But yeah, I cover my mouth here, and then later on I just put it back. I just couldn't take it. We were indoors, and they were trying to show us that it's okay not to put a mask or something. My body, I don't know. I have no idea what really they were doing. But yeah, I didn't like it, because the thing is, we have rules right now. We have rules that we should be wearing masks. And if somebody there who has COVID gets into that place, it goes to them, it goes to everyone who's eating. The food handling business, safety. I don't care if you don't want to get the virus, but the thing is, virus, that's so awkward. Virus, whatever. Yeah, it's. I don't care if you're against mask rules, but the thing is, you're working in the food preparation business, and you should be sanitary. You should be clean. I'm not, yeah, you should be clean, and you shouldn't, like, the way you handle food, you shouldn't handle it with your hands. You put gloves on it, so might as well put a mask, because we have a pandemic. Hello, I don't know, like, yeah. If you don't want to get a vaccine, that's fine, because most of the times people who don't want masks are the ones who don't want vaccines because they don't believe it's true. Well, I lost 2 people close to my life, my uncle and my aunt already. So fuck you. No, shouldn't say fuck you. But anyway, yeah. So I was like in a hurry, got a pizza, got out, went home, just ordered one pizza. I didn't order a lot. They had a lot of good things in their menu. Then I realized, shit, why was I scared? I have the right to put a mask because I have to, yeah. So to all you out there, if you feel uncomfortable for not wearing a mask, please don't. Don't be like me. I was uncomfortable, but I still have a mask. I put it up here and put it back in. So don't be uncomfortable because it's your right to be free from the virus. It's your right for your safety to put on a mask. So they can't let you yank it out of you because if they don't want to put a mask on, they can't get it off you. We can't put a mask on them. They can't take my mask off. So yeah. Anyway, I'm just blabbering now. Yep, that's it. And yeah, also the pizza that we got from them, the crust was like supposedly nice, but it wasn't. The sauce was not so good. It wasn't like Gembrook's. Gembrook's was perfect. I want to go there, but it's 40 minutes away. So maybe next time I need to go there. Anyway, that's it for the vlog today, and hope you guys take care. I've gone 6 minutes. I'm gonna cut this, so it's gonna be around 5 minutes or something. I don't know. Take care, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow.